wondered, why do others yawn when we yawn? Yawning spreads from one to another, 'cause the brain is made to mirror what it sees. Through mirror neurons, we copy actions with ease. When someone yawns before our eyes, our brain responds in subtle ways, acting as if the yawn were ours, and soon the urge begins to rise. Yawning also helps the body balance rest and alert state. As people yawn together, they naturally synchronize. In shared spaces, yawns pass around, quiet signals without a sound, saying we're tired or stay aware, helping the group align and prepare. This effect is stronger with those we know and trust the most. Our minds attend to familiar faces close. So when a friend or family member yawns nearby, we're far more likely to yawn in reply than when a stranger passes by.